Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download Adobe Premiere Pro for free on Windows PC and Mac. All right, let's begin. First, open up your web browser and go to official website of Adobe. Here, then click on Start Free Trial. Then you get these three options: Individual, Business, and Students and Teachers. Then choose the individual plan for a single device, or you can choose business plans for multiple devices. I'll choose the individual option, which gives you a 14-day free trial, plus a 30-day free trial of Adobe stock. Take it and click Continue. Enter your email address and click Continue. Fill out the required information, including your card details. But don't worry, Adobe won't charge you until the free trial ends. Now click on Agree and Subscribe. Then you'll see this screen. Make sure to create a password from here. Then open New tab and search for Download Creative Cloud. Open the second link and download the Creative Cloud app from here. Install it and log in with the same email ID. Then open it and go to the App section and install Premiere Pro from here. That's enough for today's video. And that's it. So that's basically how you can download Adobe Premiere Pro for free on Windows PC and Mac. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.